Hello. It's both of you. Wow, so early. Huh? I just started like 30 seconds only though. Wow, early. Okay, wait, I want to type a comment here. Wow, I got very bad sore eye today though. Be careful, Hazel. Okay, I can pin this comment, right? Okay, I'll pin this. Okay, can. Yo, the moment I pin it, the comment becomes so small. Stupid AMD right now. Yeah, but guys, okay, be a little bit more careful, huh? Why? When I look at VIX, I'm a little bit scared though. But then you know, right? If you just go left a little bit, go up to the weekly chart, there are times, right? There are quite a lot of times. It actually comes to even during this period in 2023 all the way until 2024, it comes here, and then this area also the same thing. So I do believe when it comes to about $12.50 to about $13, that's when, right, the market really will pull back though. So be a little bit more careful. I think I'm going to book my profit quite soon already. Yes, the China stocks definitely. And then yes, today I think most likely will be position management day. But then there are a few good trades though. Baba definitely can shift if you're inside. PDD I think likely can shift also. Let me check PDD. We entered at one. Oh yes. PDD definitely can shift. Photo also can shift already. Photo, let me see. Photo 155. This is like how much? Oh, move quite a lot. Photo can take some partial profit already. Okay, Photo can take some partial profit. Today we'll actually actively manage our positions. Most of them are in very, very good profit. But then my account, I'm also not too sure what happened though. After I shift out most of my funds, I don't seem to be able to buy so many positions already. IBN not here. Who is IBN? IBN is who though? Okay, I have no idea. Okay, there's one very good trade that I think y'all can try to take. Amazon. If you have margin, try to take. Amazon is nice. I'll send this inside the group. Where's the cop? Oh, here. Copy. Where's my chat? Okay, here. This one for me. Actually, what kind of chart you will take early and what kind of trade? Okay, the take early one, right? I can only tell you random. Um, I have if you go towards the end of the course, I did show you how to take trades early, but then usually that's most of the time, right, is based on experience, and usually they are quite high risk. And if yesterday Hazel, she also sent in some of the setups that she took. I think like Amazon, Google, and one more. Those are all on the higher risk side. So normally, right, my advice is that you wait for confirmation. If you don't, right, it will be a little bit like Neo. Remember Neo? We went to short Neo. Um, we shorted here. Remember, we shorted here. But then if you really go and count on this consolidation, right, especially this, it doesn't fulfill our criteria. So you can see, right, this consolidation, it doesn't fulfill. And the moment we shorted it, look at what happens. It starts to do a larger consolidation instead. Apple, let me see. Apple right now, if you want to take, need to book profit a little bit faster, especially when SPY is still going up. But it's VIX, VIX is like scary low levels, really, really very, very scary. So you need to book profit a little bit more faster. Yeah, I think if you want, right, I think Amazon is good. I like it. The way it's developing, you can see, right, easily a three-wave correction with an impulse, a small, something like a very small bull flag, and then possibly it can start to fire off already. So I think Amazon is a nice one. Meta went off a little bit. Lowest. No. It's not the lowest. Last year, if you go and look at VIX again, last year, right, it actually came down all the way to this low. This one, the lowest is about $10.62, and it's July. Oh, 15th of July last year, my birthday, my friend. Yeah, so just be careful, don't expect it to go all the way to about $10.60. Minimally about $12.50 to $13, I think is more than good enough. Yeah, I think you see wrong lah. No worries. Hello, Potato. Nice to see you. Okay, guys, today I might, live stream a little bit shorter. I don't know what happened the whole afternoon. Wow, my eyes is so super hurt though. I went to pharmacy, go and buy those for washing of your eyes, all that. I got very bad sore eyes suddenly. It recovered already, then suddenly come back again. Yes, Rick, very, very good strategy. I do think that you can buy some SPY put. Definitely. Yes, my coffee is damn nice. Hey, but I tell you, recently, I think this very last batch, right, that I ordered maybe a few days ago, or it tastes different from the usual taste. Though I have not been adjusting the grinder for I think at least about a year plus already. But then this time around, suddenly it changed though. Then I need to dial up the grinder a little bit. It becomes, I have not changed the settings for a long time already. So just based on the grinder itself and the grinder, when I first grind, I look at the powder. Why it looks so different? How come this time around it looks a bit like more fine? Then when I brew it, no water come out for the first time. So I dial up 2 settings. Then after it becomes like usually how I brew my coffee. Yes. Coffee beans, different season, different, uh, you know, different soil, the fertilizer and everything will change a bit lah. But I don't know whether they adjust or not because this time around I do notice the beans are smaller than what it used to be. Yes, usually don't need to adjust. Once your machine is like run in already, you don't normally need to adjust the grinder anymore. It's always the same. Can definitely. Someday, I can invite all of you over. You will be wow lah, huh? You look at my ceiling height, you will be wow. A little bit like those palace type of ceiling height. It's not a very big house or anything, but then the ceiling height is quite high. My total machine, the new one, right, is about the current one. I'm using about 4,000 plus, inclusive of everything. Yeah, don't need to buy such an expensive one. The one that I recommended to Rick, I think is more than good enough lah. I used that for quite a long time before I changed. I decided to upgrade. Yeah, Taobao, yeah, most importantly is, you buy one, you need to check whether is it easy to maintain or not, especially when the machine breaks down or something. This is the most important thing because some machines, they are very difficult to repair. And then the person who does the repairing will charge you a lot. Yeah, normally I like to buy things, whatever I buy, I like to check whether is it easy to repair or not. Even for like cars or that. Yeah, if the car keeps breaking down or that, I also don't want to buy. Okay, there's a few good trade. Visa is also not bad. Visa is developing already. CrowdStrike also. Let me update the list also. And I send it in. At least you guys can monitor. And then if you have the margin, just take it. Just take the trade according to strategy. Okay, just now one was it. One of it is Amazon. We got CrowdStrike and Visa. Okay. Can TDY structure. TDY. It's actually not bad. It's getting a lot better though. It's really getting a lot better. If you do get a breakout, let me check. Okay, this one is breaking out for structure. So if you do get like a very small, flag, you can start to buy already. It's actually looking really, really nice. I like it. It's getting better. Yeah, also it looks a little bit like a triangle. I don't Wow, this one really looks like a triangle. I think if you Okay, this one possibly is a triangle. Yes, it's quite possible. It's really quite possible. So just wait for a little bit. If you get a very small one, can start to buy already. It's nice. It's nice. Okay, I'll add this also. Number 60DY. Okay, for now, I just send all this first. Hey, market open now, so fast. I haven't do anything though. I haven't even look at the market. I haven't even scanned through the instruments. Okay, we can manage some positions right now. PDD, I think the RR is quite high though, if I'm not wrong. Hey, is it PDD? No. Futu, the RR is high. Let me see, Futu. Oi, don't suddenly tank, huh? Okay, we release about $7. Not bad already. Futu is not bad. Futu can definitely book some partial profits. I think can book 30%. No, not PD. Futu. 169.50. Just close about 30%. Okay, I will also close mine. Well, I always forget to log in my account. Then after that, I cannot log in. My goodness. Okay, I close off some Futu already. Oh, today market is so strong. Oh, I got see wrong or not? Oh, today up about 2.61%. The account is 123,000 right now. Not bad. Okay, we need to manage some positions. For two, I also want to shift the stop loss. Okay, we take partial profits first. And then, okay, AMD also needs to take some partial profit, right? Let me see, huh? Okay lah, AMD, I will leave it, Yeah, AMD can leave it. Let me see OXY. Okay, for you guys, if you all have any China stocks, right, can take some partial profits already. Even for Baba. Yeah, Baba also can take some. PDD, let me see PDD. PDD. Okay, we enter somewhere here. The RR about slightly less than 1:2. Okay, like PDD, I think can leave it, but okay, we shift our stop losses. At least, can secure profits. Oh, Luis, give me a while, huh? I'm doing position management right now. Yeah, I need to shift my stop losses, all that. Okay, 116.3. Update for PDD. Photo also needs to update. Photo 164.9. And then Tesla. Okay, Tesla. Let me see Tesla. Oh yo, fire off now. Nice. Okay, Tesla we can shift all the way here. I think shouldn't be much of an issue. 339.5. Wow, my eyes are. I'm going to die already. So itchy, eh. My goodness. If tomorrow is not getting better, I'm going to see doctor. Okay, Tesla done. How about Nvidia? Let's see Nvidia. Nvidia like not moving a lot, eh? AMD not bad. Okay, but AMD we need to give it a little bit of room to breathe first. Okay, AMD I will monitor. I will set 2 alarms. Yeah, Nvidia is going up, but we need to wait for a little bit. Before we shift. Yeah, well, you can see right now it starts to spike already. Oh my goodness, today good day, huh? Wow, this public account up about 3.15% now. Fantastic. Hey, guys, you have margin, go and take, huh? Type inside the group. Live stream got chat again. Okay, okay, Potato, I come back to you in a short while, okay? Oh yes, correct. I need to send the entry also. One moment. It's looking great. It's really looking great. And then what else do we have? Did I manage everything already? Let me see. Tesla. Tesla possibly we wait a little bit more. I think we can take some partial profits. Tesla. Oh, we enter quite low. Huh? Okay, can wait for a little bit. I also set another alarm for Tesla. Hopefully, spice continue to go up. That will be the best thing. Okay, spice still going up. Fantastic. How about QQQ? QQQ today. Okay, the strength looks like it's a little bit slower than SPY. Okay, those trade that I sent in CRWD CrowdStrike. Let's see. CrowdStrike no confirmation. Visa. There's still a few more, right? Hey, Visa suddenly fire off leh. My goodness. Okay, this one we need to wait already. Chewy. Let's see. Oh, Chewy also fire off. My goodness. CWT. Okay, not bad. TDY. Okay, no confirmation. TDY. Yeah, that is more or less about it. Okay, potato. Nike. What you call expanding flat? Okay, potato, what you forecast on Nike? It looks good though. It looks good. Let me go to my chart. Yes, what you forecast there is good. Possibly also right. It can be a running flat instead. And if it's a running flat, right now it will just fire off already. It's also quite possible. Yeah, then because sometimes, this is the problem for running flat. Running flat, they can terminate way too many places, and then we can't really tell. So what I like to do is that I go down to the 1 hour. If there's some consolidation over here, I will definitely take the trade for upside. But what you forecast over there on your own chart, right? Like an expanding flare with FVG or that, fantastic. Good job, my friend. Good job. Oh, it's a alert wave structure, Louis. Okay, just now I think you asked something also, right? Is it you? Where is it, huh? Where's the comment? I think you asked something, right? It's gone already. Oh, CDNS, CDNS. Yeah, because over here I use a lot of alert wave theory. So this is how I forecast the market. What type of trades to take, when the correction is going to finish. So something like that, right? This is a correction. This one is an impulse. So I'm always reading the correction, so I know when it will be completed, and then you'll get another huge impulse to the upside. So if you can read correction, you will get, you can catch huge impulses. This is what I teach inside the group. Yeah, CDNS, it looks good for upside. I like it. Yeah, guys, you also can keep this on your watch list. I just let it develop for a little bit more. I don't think it's done as of right now. So it's also developing into a structure. So I do think that it will take a little while before it's completed. Based on how it's developing, likely there will be one more leg down at least before the upside. Okay, CDNS is really not bad. Okay, I'll add this into my watch list also. CDNS. Oh, the market is so strong. Guys, I haven't really scanned through the charts or anything though. Yes, it's scary. It's like, one final push before the market starts to go into a larger consolidation. Yeah, it's scary. It's really, really scary. Like I always say, when people are greedy, you try to be more fearful, okay? When people are fearful, that's when you go aggressive. Right now, we should be conservative already. We try to book profit and then just get out. Yes, correct. This is very, very important. So right now, market starts to fire off all that. You'll see a lot of people panic, try to chase this and that. But for us, right, we go the other opposite. We try to secure profit and then we get out. If not, what you can do is that just, move your stop losses. That will be the most safe already. Because we don't know whether how much it can go up, right? So we just move our stop losses. Someday, somehow, it will just come back and take you out. When it takes you out, you just secure all the profits. Hey, AMD going to touch TP. Okay. Wow, AMD is strong though. Oh, I love it. Okay, we put at how much? 190, right? 190. Okay, we shift a little bit higher. I think we shift to about 195. We shift to 195. AMD, let me change AMD 195. Yes. I'm going to take some partial profits soon. Yeah, market open now. It's quite strong. Usually it can goes like that. Quite strong for at least about 30 minutes to 1 hour, and then after that, we book some partial profit. Book, guys. Really need to book. I'm still not very confident in the market. Because no matter how, we are still in August. August is a scary month lah. Book that profit. Don't be greedy, okay? Soon. Wow, today I really never monitor anything at all. The only thing that I can find is Amazon only. Amazon, yeah, but a lot of them they are firing off quite fast. Like, what setups did I saw just now? Like Visa just suddenly fire off. But don't chase this. Just be more careful. Remember, guys, we are still under this trend line. So no matter how, we are still in consolidation. Yeah, although it doesn't give us the confirmation and just move off. Remember, we are still in August, okay? So don't chase. Crowd. Yeah, crowd. Yep, no consolidation. Also don't chase. Don't do anything. Chewy a little bit wasted lah. Chewy is a little bit wasted. We identify the ending diagonal with all the trend lines support and everything, but I totally forgotten about it. We should have catch this trade. This one is like fantastic, man, my friend. Hey, call with. Okay, call with. How is it doing? Call with no confirmation. Initially, it has a breakout. It's a breakout, but no confirmation here. So for me, missed earnings somehow still dumping. It's not very, very good news. So be a little bit more careful. Possibly, the worst case scenario, I do think that it will chop here a bit, go up, and then drop one more before it starts to fire off. This one is like the worst case scenario. Okay. Hive. Bio. Open. Your trading view very lag. I think you need to clear your, what's that called? Not browsing history, but the cookie, is it? Is it called cookie? Okay, no worries, Vicky. Huh? Nvidia pulling back, meh? Really? Okay lah. Is okay. This one we just leave it. Just leave it. No rush. No rush, my friend. AMD is good. Tesla is good. Palantir leh? Palantir fantastic. Rick, you, I can tell you lah, this is the issue for TradingView, right? Has been there for many years already. Ever since I started using, I think 2014, I think I started using it back then in 2014, it's already that laggy. 2014 or 2015, 2013. It's more than 10 years already. Right now, they are getting even more users, but then I think it's because, they don't have a large server that can host so many users, or they are trying to, just maximize everything. I'm not too sure how it works. I think, Rick, you have a better idea than me. Yes, don't worry. The pulling back, all that is good, Raymond? So when it starts to pull back, consolidate, all that, that means likely there will be, more upside. Yeah, no rush, my friend. Yes, Tesla, go. Yeah, upgrade their server. Yes. And then I read about, like as technology progress, all that your server also needs to upgrade, something like our CPU, the system, the hardware, all that also needs to upgrade. Yes, it's tricky. Okay, analysis is always analysis. It's somehow, I just give you something to safeguard yourself. Don't try to be too greedy and think that market can keep firing off like that. Based on the video, right, you can see, right, I show you so many examples that after a 4-5 month move, the markets pull back quite hard. Some 5%, some 10%. So do you want to, be stuck inside or not? No, right? So you just be a little bit more careful, no matter how we are still in August. Okay, A-Lab hope can go 1000%. You very greedy guy, huh? 1000%, my friend. A-Lab. Okay, earnings fire off. Okay, Cherry, I can tell you this stock, right? Likely it wouldn't stop so soon. Possibly, I think it still can go up for a little bit more. At least a little bit more. But not too sure, how long it can last. Definitely for me, I would love some pullback before I join in. Yeah, something like, it pulls back a little bit, a small one before I join in. BMNR. I think it's good, right? BMNR. Yeah, it's good. It looks good though. Yeah, but ETH went up a lot. It didn't really move much though. Yeah, yesterday was a good trade, but then yeah, if you ask me to enter here, most likely I won't. But then I think likely more upside. Ken, okay, Cherry, you can always ask me, because for me myself, I don't normally trade MU. If I see some other setups, right, like they look really, really good, I would prefer those that I normally trade more than MU. So you can always ask me. I can give you the entry so that can tell you when is the confirmation, and then you can get in. Okay, Amazon, I think likely, let me see. I think there should be a confirmation already, right? Yup, I think if you want, can start to go in now. Yup, definitely, it looks good. It looks extremely good. Yes, Cherry, you have to follow up with me, okay? Because you look at my portfolio, my portfolio and Nancy Pelosi portfolio looks exactly the same. I like to buy all the tech stock, those mega tech stock. There are some of the very special type of stocks that I buy is usually because of recommendation. Sometimes some of the students, if not people comes to my live stream, they show me this and that, then I add it into my watch list. But usually for myself, when nobody asks, I never see them. I will just buy my usual stocks. Okay, it looks good. I like it though. I like it. I really like it, Amazon. But guys, be more wary, okay? Be more careful. Especially those, guys inside the group, y'all have watched the market update video. I really don't know how much more it can go up. Let me see the 4 hours. Okay, 4 hour structure is a little bit starting to look a little bit weird. Okay, can. Rick, see you later. Then we can ML earlier. Okay, NVIDIA just stuck there. AMD, fantastic. Apple, eh? Oh, live stream got chats again now. Okay, let me see. Oh, Ken, McDonald's, Ken. Yeah, like, McDonald's, those consumer defensive is also stocks that I rarely trade. Hey, not bad. It looks fantastic. I like it. Hey, no need to set alert. It's breaking already. Yeah, even for McDonald's, this type of stock, once in a blue moon, I will trade them. But yes, McDonald's is a stock that, okay, consumer defensive, right? Usually they move quite slow. So you need to have patience. They are not like your tech stock. If you trade tech a lot, right? When you go into like consumer defensive, you will be like, my goodness, I cannot tahan liao. Because you experience, very fast move before. And then when you come to something that's a little bit slower, like Rick yesterday, he was in this trade called PPL or something, is it? Yeah, called PPL. He was in it, but then he got no patience. Breakout already, just consolidate here. He got no patience. After that, when he get out, you look at what happens today. He starts to move a little bit. Yeah, so you need to, adjust your mindset a little bit. Usually those that moves very fast, right? Very, very fast is those like your tech. Finance also can move quite fast at times. Oh, you still inside, huh? Oh, you still inside. Okay. I thought you got out already. Okay. My bad. I thought, he gave up already. Something like, OXY. You take a look at OXY. Oil stock, right, is also not something that moves very, very fast. So I do understand. Hazel tell me she got out of OXY, but for me, I'm still inside because I know oil stock, they don't move fast, but they will move. Yes. So you can do a very small trade, It's something like you can buy for the next impulse. Okay, I show you, right? Whatever you see on McDonald is a little bit similar to QCOM back then. If I'm not wrong, should be QCOM. Wait, I think my chart is loading. Okay, you look at QCOM this part. Can you see the similarity? Okay, just look at maybe this part alone. This part. It looks something like your McDonald. So you can buy for those very, very small impulses and then just, move to break even or book more profits. Yes, picking up that's why I live stream so that you can see what I do. You pick up my habits, my thought process, how I look at the market, all that. These are all experience that I'm sharing with you because after finishing the course, simply I just need to say a little bit. You all already understand what will happen next, or how the structure will develop. Then coming to live stream, just listen to a little bit. You learn a lot very, very quickly. Bye, Simi. Bro, today I got no setup. I never really scanned through the charts because my eyes hurts though. So today I just want to actively manage my own positions. I'm securing profits, all that only. Yes, Amazon looks good. Okay, Amazon I think should be ready if I'm not wrong. Yeah, a trade that possibly can take. Okay, Potato, so sorry, because the last, 2 to 3 weeks, I had a lot of issues with my business partner. So I was also, trying to solve some issue and then I didn't go and do videos. I will get it done as soon as possible. And just nice, my neighbors, they are also renovating their unit. Today I wanted to do one, but then, they started drilling again. It's very, very noisy. I will start to do, then after that, I will, you'll be able to watch it. Sorry, there's some delay over here. Mm, okay, the TP for Amazon. Try not to target too high. Yes, I'm also doing the handbook. The handbook will need a longer time though. Wow, the handbook is so difficult to do. I want to do it into something that, next time I can print it out as a book. Yes. Okay, random. Yes, I am preparing the handbook also. I will definitely do that. That one is quite difficult, more difficult than making video. I do think that Tesla will go up more, but then because of this month, right, I'm being more cautious. And then, yep, I will monitor, how the market goes, and then I will just react accordingly. Okay, partly also, pre-market, it went up quite a lot. So right now, like, a bit no strength. Okay, we can book some partial profits for, uh, I think AMD. Let me see, huh? Okay, not bad. I think can just close off some. AMD. Okay, just take off some first. Okay, I also book some for myself. Fantastic lah, this AMD. Okay, nice. Yes, mainly I do buy options also. I do buy options. But once in a while, sometimes when market is not doing very well, I sell options. I want to earn premium. Then uh yeah, I'm also going to buy a SPY put option quite soon. Possibly I will buy quite soon. AMD, yes, Adrian missed the AMD. Yeah, Adrian can share his story lah if you want. Yeah, Adrian did something he shouldn't have done. Yes. That's why reverse trading is okay lah, random take it as a learning lesson. Next time don't do it again. Really don't do it again. Just, stay calm. Sometimes, when you miss this and that, just let it go. Right? You all come to my live stream. Almost every single week or every other day, you see I miss some trades. And those trades that just fire off very, very quickly. Like Chewy, I was monitoring it, then I just forgotten about it. So what did I do? You don't see me jumping it. I will just, okay lor, just go and find another trade lah. Because like what I told you always is that the market they tends to move together. So if you miss one, usually you'll be able to spot another opportunity in some other stock. Raymond, also my very good friend, he also do the very same thing, ask me for help. So right now you see, you'll come into the group, look at always analyze my mindset, go and look at how I do things. And yesterday there was some news about Trump, right? Trump also said something yesterday night, then the market suddenly tanked. But what did I tell you guys? Relax, wait for about 1-2 hours, market will price in. Yeah, so this is the things that I do. Usually, I'm quite calm. For me, the market, there's plenty of opportunity. Don't need to chase anything. So, like you also have seen, people come to my live stream telling me about this stock, that stock. They all think that this one will fly to the moon. But do you see, I entered them and how some of the stock actually, work out. Like I can show you one example is Circles. Circles, initially there was so much hype about it. What did I tell you? Don't buy. Remember when I first know about Circles, I think it already started firing off. And then everybody was so hyped up about Circles. But what did I tell you? Don't buy. So if you go and buy Circles or something, you are jammed inside already. It's not moving though, where your, like your S&P, your NVIDIA, AMD, they're all firing off. But what is Circles doing? Nothing. Yes, guys, relax. You all have the strategy already. As and when, you all see some good opportunity, even though I myself never take it, right? You can just come in here, ask me what do I think about it, and if everything is good, just take the trade. Don't always have to follow because right now this public account, I'm not too sure whether is it because I shift my money away, left with 100,000, and then I do notice that I cannot open a lot of positions though. Back then, I remember Mumu, I can always open about 10 to 15 positions, but recently like 8 positions and just run out of margin. Not sure what happened though. AMD, you sell. I think AMD sell 14. What is AMD sell 14? What do you mean by that? What about Tesla? Tesla is good. I like it. I do think that it will go up even more. Yeah, my final target for Tesla is about $400, but in between, just be a little bit more careful lah. Because we are in the month of August. August usually they doesn't perform very well. Yep. What I can tell you is that just be more careful. If you have good profits, secure them first. The one is BLSH. I cannot find this stock though. Oh, AMDL. AMDL. Sell 14. What is this stock? Oh, AMDL is the 2x ETF. Oh, nice. Okay. I love AMD. I will add this into my watch list. AMDL. I have never tried, leverage stocks before. And then, yeah, you can try to TP everything basically. Possibly, can try to target about $15.50. Around there, you can try to secure more. Yes, it's very risky. I know. I know it's risky. Just that I myself, I have never traded before. Because my account is quite large. I also don't want to risk that. Every single month, I can make about 5 to 20% and I keep compounding it. I'm more than happy already. Yeah, the 100K account is also, to show the public that you don't need to do very, very high risk. You can still grow the account quite fast. Yes, if AMD boosts, I think this one you make about 2x on it, right? The movement is 2x if I'm not wrong. You try OBI. What is OBI? Is this... what is this? This is under London Stock Exchange though. Oh, you try a bit. Okay. Oh, OBI. Oh, try only. Oh, try only. Okay. Try only. Okay. Understand. Yeah, just be more careful. 2x. Those leverage stocks, they can be quite dangerous. I can't really tell you because I myself, I really have not tried it before. It was until I started live streaming, I was like, whoa, people do 2x stocks. Yeah, Random and Raymond, relax, guys. We really relax. Don't revenge trade. Revenge trade is the killer lah. And you don't have to trade every single day. Like for me, after I enter some positions, I don't think you saw me, entering anymore. Don't have margin, then just let it be. Then some of the trades you can see that I'm also quite patient, right? Like OXY Hazel got out already, but I'm still inside. See, OXY might be, firing off today. Am I right? You can see that suddenly just move very, very fast. These are all patience, I entered right, I think down here or something. I think so. Then it has been how long? 7 August until now. It's not long though. It's about 6 days only. You are in profit, just that, you don't see that type of big move. Yeah, sometimes where you have to take the loss, right, you need to take it like a champ. Just treat trading as a business, you won't make constant profit every single month, but in the long run, there are periods that you will make a lot of profits. And then there will be also downtime where that month you might be negative. So look at it as a business. Because when you run your own business or that, you seriously have no idea every single month how much you are going to make though. You have a rough idea when you are, more constant already. You have a good idea how much you are going to make, but more or less it's always around that range. And then some peak season or something, you get to make a little bit more. Okay, boo. Like, okay, the way is developing. Just be a little bit more careful. Possibly maybe one more leg, and then it starts to go. This is one of the scenario. It can happen. Okay. PDD coming back down a little bit. I also have some position, but then I'm still looking for upside lah. Google looks good though. I like Google. Google is a little bit lagging behind. How come today when I do search, it doesn't just appear? Google is lagging a little bit behind as compared to those Magnificent 7. So I do think that possibly it has room for more upside, but just be careful, okay, guys. August historically, right, is quite a difficult month to trade. If not, usually they are, very sideways, very choppy. Although right now, for the first half of August, market is doing quite well. Just be more careful lah. Yeah, Google looks good. Yes, Google a little bit in coma, but I also saw a lot of people on my TikTok, on my feeds, saying that Google will be overtaken by OpenAI or that. I think quite difficult. I think really quite difficult. Because Google, no matter how, is still a very large company, right? They have the funds. If you look at Google's balance sheet, you'll be shocked though. They can go 2 years or 3 years, right, without making a single cent. The company can survive. They have so much money, really so much money. I think Google is one of the company with the largest amount of free cash flow. That means they can pay for all the operating costs and everything. Don't make a single cent every month. They can last about 2 to 3 years. So with that amount of money, they easily they will be able to hire people, or a super smart guy, just start another new software, something like ChatGPT. It will be difficult lah. I think there's a news, right, about I think OpenAI tries to buy Google Chrome or something. I don't think Google will sell to them. My site Thunder. How are you all listen to Thunder, man? Is it my microphone? Because just now I accidentally knocked onto my microphone. Oh, can hear yes, that's the thing. This microphone, right? Okay, it's actually because of my house. It's my house. It's very echoey. There's too much echo already. So right now, like someone beside me, they started renovation. Oh, my whole house, it's like the noise is damn loud that type. Really, really loud. Wow, recently AMD outperformed NVIDIA. Yes, Perplexity. Yes, Perplexity. Yes, Perplexity. They tries to acquire Google. It's funny lah. I don't think they will be. I don't think that will be a successful thing. Small fish want to acquire a big fish. It's funny though. Okay, the only one in our portfolio is not doing so well is NVIDIA. Yes, AMD is higher than NVIDIA already for the current price. But then NVIDIA is still much more stronger because NVIDIA has stock split a lot of times, really a lot of times. If you go back, you can see, I think they did 10-1 stock split back then in June 2024. 10-1, no joke, 10-1 stock split. And they did it quite a number of times along the years. You see one more in 2021, 4-1. So definitely NVIDIA is worth more than AMD. Just that, the current market price is they're around the same. They offer 38 billion for Google Chrome, but the company only worth 18 billion. Yeah, they have a lot of investors lah. Definitely, there will be investors coming in. Perplexity and ChatGPT, definitely, people will think that they will be the next. I also don't know what's that term called, but the next thing, the next big thing. Like me myself right now, I'm also using Perplexity and ChatGPT. I don't even normally nowadays I don't Google anymore unless ChatGPT and Google gives me some funny answer that I Google it myself. Oh, you bought 190 Oracle. Looks like a good price though. 190. 190. Okay, TBSSG. What's your overall plan for this stock? Because 190 is really quite far away though. You held on for quite long already. Yeah, because if you are investor, you can definitely continue to hold. If you are doing trading, position trades or something, I think likely you can try to book some partial profits at least minimally. Okay, why not TBSSG? You tell me whether you are swing trader, position trader, or a investor. Because if for me, if I do swing trading, by now I'm out already. Position trades, likely. Wow, brother, I don't think you are doing swing trades. I think you are more like position trades. You hold all the way since June though, 2 months. For me, my swing trades is from a few days up to about 2 months only. Anything more than 2 months is a position trade. Yeah, position trade. I would definitely book more partial profits first because I do think that uh, even this month, okay, market can perform very well. Next month, right, historically, September is the worst month in the whole entire year. Usually they are negative. So I will definitely, book more profits and then maybe end of September, I try to reposition again. Hello, make 2K this year. Nice. Very, very, very nice. The likes like so cute today. Why? What happened? The like from 40,000 drop until until 200 only. But it's okay lah, guys. The likes how much already? Over here at my side, it looks like 300 plus though. Oh yes, I forget to switch on this. Today I got a very bad sore eye. So guys, I a little bit marbled, a little bit sang already. The whole afternoon, wow, my eyes so hurt, I almost cannot open my eyes. I never see girls lah. How to see girls? Today the whole day I at home, sister. I think maybe possibly when I got sore eye, I sleep outside. I didn't went to bedroom to sleep because I don't want to pass the infection to my daughter or my wife. So I slept on the sofa. Then this afternoon I went to sleep on the sofa again. So possibly I need to wash the pillowcase or something. It's like wow, the effect is damn fast though. I nap for like maybe 30 minutes or something. The moment I wake up, my two eyes is like swollen. I went to buy like those eye wash and everything, but it's still not getting better though. No. Elo is not one of the student, but I think he makes some money lah. Good for him. You so far got kutu, don't have kutu lah. Singapore where got kutu. Long time maybe you see one kutu. Kutu bed bug. CRM looks good but CRM broke the low, right? Oh yes, it broke the low. Kutu is bed bug, right? If I'm not wrong. The one that bites you and then it's super painful. It sucks your blood or something. Well, CRM trade is aggressive though. Kutu. Head lice. Head lice. I'm not too sure about that. Is it? Why is it not deleting? Hello, my trading view jam. Save. Is my internet jam or something? No leh. What happens? Why I cannot delete my alarm? Oh, you saw Starbucks bought some company for 100M. Okay, I will go and take a look. One moment, huh? Is it inside the group or what? Oh, tomorrow we have PPI, huh? But the PPI, I think, is not that impactful, lah. Okay, I think the alarm is deleted already. Nice. Starbucks. Starbucks is SH, is it? Oh, what is Starbucks ticker? Starbucks. Oh, SBUX. Okay. Is it a recent news or something? Because I don't think I saw it over here though. Buy me omakase. Oh, Andrew, I auto clicker the like to manifest. Okay. Yes, Figma, I also don't think it will turn out great lah. I really don't think so. I think it will become another garbage for a while. Yeah, for me, if really, it doesn't perform, I will just take a small loss and then I just move on. This one is similar to yesterday. Yesterday there was this stock. What stock was that? A China stock, the bubble tea brand. You all remember the ticker or not? I don't remember liao. Oh, Chagi. Yes. Yeah, it's a little bit similar if you compare to Figma. So possibly, right, you can dump quite a lot though. Although I also like the company, but it's because of newly IPO stocks. Usually you will see something like that. Something like this. Chagi. Did I pronounce properly? I also don't know what's the brand called. I only know that they make bubble tea. Yeah, so right now Figma is doing a little bit like this area, so possibly it can go down even lower. If we go back to Figma again, maybe the 1 hour or something, is a little bit similar lah. A little bit, something like that. Possibly can dump again. Okay, everyone, let's drive 911. A Porsche is a good car lah, low maintenance. Buy those with agent warranty, okay? So that your servicing, all that will be all included. Porsche is a good car. The warranty can keep extending and extending non-stop. July 2026. Random. Hey, random. Really. Don't, random. Don't because of this, right? Give yourself stress, okay? Just look at the market. Just do your best, will do, okay? Just do your best, will do. Don't it because you want to buy me omakase or something, and then you push yourself. Really, don't do that. I'm okay though, the omakase thing is like I'm just joking with you guys lah. Hey, spy pulling back already, huh? My goodness. Okay, only spy pulling back, but the account looks good, right? Let me see, huh? Okay, PDD also coming down quite fast. Okay, like, so far looks fine. Yeah, so far still looks fine. Porsche is right. Yes, Vicky. I don't really like to show my own lifestyle or that. For me, I just want to keep it as a simple, trading a channel for trading, and then everyone comes here for live streaming, learn how to trade, join me as a student. That will be more than good enough. Yeah, when y'all reach there, can you give Porsche a shot? It's really a very good car brand. You'll like it lah. Most of them are mid-engines, so if you go around a corner or something, you can go extremely fast. It's super nimble. It's something like I also drove Mini Cooper before. My Mini Cooper is quite special. It's a two-seater Mini Cooper. It looks like a toy car, really looks like a toy car. I drove that before. It's super duper nimble. It's very, very fast. You can cut through here and there easily. Bro, reach run 100M is not easy though. Maybe by that time I already 60 years old. Hazel needs to buy omakase for Hazel. Okay, if that's the case, I want to join also. Okay, I want to join. Give me that omakase. Oh, you really need pressure. Okay. Yes, guys, no need really. What Rick say is true. Really don't need to give yourself, pressure trying to make a lot. Even like right now, I'm also, running a course, like running my own social media account. I also don't feel the pressure to, go and show off something. Then I go and over leverage uh or go and trade those 2x ETF. There's really no point because you know why or not. The reason is very simple. I can perform that and then maybe I 2x my account in 3 months or 6 months or something. But then is this sustainable or not? And am I going to teach this to all the students and all that? Definitely not, right? So I'll do something more realistic. Yes, I like to drive coupe and convertible. My favorite. Even right now, I got baby already. I still drive a convertible. But I recently I start looking for at family cars also. Possibly, maybe I will sell it off. I could buy a family car. If not, I will buy another car lah. Then I will just give it to my wife. Ask my wife to drive because my baby is also going to school soon. Being property. No leh. What is being property? Performance. Views on working as an execution trader in hedge funds. Here say the role is very low leverage admin. Well, I don't know about that. I really, yeah, this JIS, I can't help you though, bro. I have no friends who work as that, and I have no idea what is it. Yeah, maybe you can use ChatGPT to help you. Yeah, over here I only share knowledge that I know. Things that I'm not confident, usually I tend to keep quiet. I won't say anything. I rather don't say anything than giving you false information. Not alpha generation, okay. Steven. What is Steven? Okay, I still need that confirmation, huh? No confirmation, I still won't buy it. Being property, sales property also very big on TikTok. Uh, okay, to be honest, although I'm also a real estate agent, I still have the license, but then I don't do it full time anymore. I stopped, following all this already. I only look at what are the new rules and regulation, and that is more or less about it. Yeah, so right now for real estate, I'm only doing referral business. If there's referral, then okay, lor, I just take up and then go and market the property, just do for fun. Because it's still good income, lah, no matter how doing something more freelance, right? I still make about 150 to 200,000 per year. So not bad. It's really still quite a good income. Sophie. Okay. I can tell you is that in this world, right, whether you do sales or not, you need to put yourself out there because nobody knows about you. You need to keep showing up. Even if you don't have the money for a starting capital to blast advertisement or anything, go and knock on people's door. Go and knock HDB, knock lender, all that. Go under the sun. These are the things that you have to do. That's why these are the people who put themselves out there. They are the one who will succeed very very fast because you need to learn how to face rejection. A lot of people will tell you, no, 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 I don't want to sell my house. I sell already. Go where? Sleep on the street. But of course, property is much more nicer. People tends to be much more nicer to you. At least they'll ask you, hey, boy, we can sell how much? Huh? How much is our house worth right now? Yes, just go and knock door. Put yourself out there. Like me, right now, I'm also running this student course. I come here every single day. So I just, present myself. And if people like it, then they join me. My group is also slowly getting larger and larger. So this is what you do. I'm also not the best trader, in the whole world. I'm just a retail trader with some experience and then showing you what I can do. And that is more or less about it already. Yes, the exam is difficult to pass, but no matter how the moment you pass, you just put yourself out there. Go and knock doors. It's the most low cost and efficient method. If you don't go and knock, nobody knows about you. Money won't drop from the sky. Okay, Sophie, I really don't know though. Sophie, I don't see that consolidation for more upside. So Sophie, I will definitely give it a skip for a while unless, this thing starts to consolidate here. Maybe possibly I will try to get in. Okay? AMD is good. I shifted my target to 195. I still like it. Yeah, market today went up a little bit too much already. So, today right now is pulling back a little. It's definitely healthy. Nothing much to worry about. But just shift your stop loss higher and higher. Because the month of August usually is quite a difficult month to trade. And usually they are quite negative. Oh, you just started real estate, is it? GIS. If you just started, my best advice for you is that go knock on people's door. Really, just go knock. Face rejection. Learn how to handle rejections. By knocking door, you don't just learn this though. Sometimes I feel that listening to your clients is much more important than what you have to say. So you just go and knock door, and then the customers, the people who live there, they will give you a lot of very very good advice. They'll tell you, hey, my neighbor, this one sell how much, that one sell how much, sell for how long. Then they'll tell you about this and that policy that even if you just finish your exam, you don't even know that got this policy. You'll be shocked that they are the one who will feed you with all the informations. Oh, really? Yeah, I was only in the corporate life for about 1.5 years around there. And then I left. After that, everything is self-employed and doing my own business. So I don't really have much experience in, working a corporate job. Wow. RJF structure. Okay, RJF. RJF. Oh, this one looks good, huh? For a shot. If there's a confirmation, possibly can take the trade though. Oh, this one looks good. This one looks good. Really, really good. Hey, ARW random. Okay, ARW. Okay, live stream also got chats there. Okay, one moment, huh? Oh, yo, so much chat. Okay, we start with ARW first. Yeah, random ARW looks good. I like it, but we need that consolidation. Without that, and especially this month, right? I'm really scared though. I also don't want to, lose the profits and then take bad trades again. I would rather, wait for a little bit, see how it develops before we make a decision. We want to go long or go short. Yes, there was no confirmation over here. You can see, right? No confirmations at all. Yes, definitely, user. I do think that you can start to TP soon. Amazon, I like it. I'm still inside. I like it. Okay, wait. Let me answer some of my students' chat first. Some sort of like notebook. RBLX. Hey, RBLX breaking down. Really? This stock, Oh, you fire off 了咧. Yeah, you see? Another stock that has been, actively monitoring, but then it just started to dump. So what to do? Hey, Hazel, you very bad, eh? Huh? Wow, you're damn bad. Yeah lah, how you want me to answer, my friend? I cannot say this out, right? You guys are really... Hey, you have to monitor who comes into the group. Suddenly become student or something, you say that. He asked me for refund, You really are. Hey, who is the one who says it? You what? Hazel, you're the one who says that thing, right? Why? This one really... Cannot. The moment I say this, I'm dead, my friend. Okay, RGF. Let me see. RGF. Yes, definitely. Very good job. Good job for noticing that. Is it more than that? Let me see. Oh, yes, definitely. But sometimes, right? This one is experience, Sometimes I do, just take the trade. The reason is because it went up quite a lot. Okay? Sometimes I do take that, but then these are all the higher risk trade. Yes, this one by right, we're supposed to take the breakout trade, but then it failed. Yeah, if you take the breakout trade likely, this one you'll get stop out lah. Even right now, the dumping is because of what? No news though. I don't see any news over here. Okay, hello, you earned from HSI. Congratulations, my friend. I never happy, RBLX. I never happy, okay? It's just that I want to short it. I was looking at it for quite a while already. I wanted to short it. But I also don't know why my alarm didn't get triggered. I don't see anything here though. Yup, don't have. Okay, there's one alarm trigger, NUTX. What is NUTX? Why, huh? Oh, because of the zone. Okay. You came into the zone. Seems like... Yes, lose to ALVV 3 times already. His RBLX is way too strong. Cannot win. Another Palantir. Damn scary though. So you all can see, right? Over here, I take loss all the time. But then, taking of losses, all that is part and parcel of trading. Just take it as like a champ, and then you will come out ahead. Because you take one loss, but then your RR is high, you definitely make money. So this NUTX is reaching trendline resistance soon. Wait for a little bit. Possibly can turn out to be a good trade though. 4 hours daily. Daily 4 hours. Okay, not bad. I'll add this inside the trade ideas also. Number 7 NUTX. Yes, it's a structure. That's why, and it's also under what did I press? It's also under this trend line. So it's reaching resistance already, and then earnings are coming soon Thursday. Golf. Oh, golf. Looks nice though. Looks nice. Looks very, very, very nice. Oh, I did an analysis for you guys on this chart. Nice. Did I do an analysis for this chart? How come I got so much drawing? Oh, you asked before, huh? Yeah, lor, you can see, huh? Right now, I'm really very forgetful that type. Like, after a while, I just, forget about everything. I just move on. When I open the chart, I also got a bit shocked. Okay, it looks good. It looks good. This one, also a structure. Wait for the consolidation, then can start to buy. I like it. Everything fulfilled, huh? Simple 3-way structure completed. No, a lot of times I will remember, but some of the very new stock like this, golf, I think is newly, maybe possibly newly added. I don't think I even added to my watch list, so I have no idea though. I think because you found it, but then back then maybe there was no opportunity. Yeah, you see, I never even add it into my watch list, but right now it's really not bad. Cost averaging good. Why need too much attention? Cannot follow market, bro. Huh? Oh, that one is her husband. Oh, okay. I thought, I thought some troll or something. Cost averaging good. Wife need too much attention, cannot follow market, bro. Yes, yes. Bro, you can bring your wife, go for holiday. Yeah, bro, I'm here every day lah. So I also hope you guys enjoy your holiday and then go for honeymoon, my friend. Oh, you all have the same username, huh? Not bad. Okay, WYNN. WYNN. Okay, guys, today there's quite a lot of comments. So, if I miss any of your chats, do type again, okay? WYNN. Yesterday, was there any setups? Uh, okay, not bad. It's not bad. Hazel you need a lot of attention. This one don't need it already. Okay, what is this? Raymond James Financial. Yes, Raymond James Financial. I will definitely wait for that consolidation. Yes, I know my mistake. Yes, property Lee. Like I said, Figma is something that I don't think it will perform well. Although I'm inside, if it doesn't perform, I will just take the loss. Because how it's doing right is exactly like this bubble tea brand, Cha Ji or what? How do I even pronounce? Yeah, it's basically the same thing. So this is another stock that just IPO. So it did a spike up, dump, break below the IPO low. After it starts to consolidate and then starts to dump. So possibly Figma can also be doing that. I know my mistake. Next one, don't need it already. TBSSG, I don't have margin already, so I'm not actively looking for trades. I've already maxed out everything. Pfizer. Pfizer, what's the ticker symbol? Huh? I always forget though. PF something. PFZT. Nope. Okay. I have to spell, but I don't know how to spell Pfizer though. Where's that Pfizer? Okay. PFIZER. Oh, PFE. Okay. PFE. PFE. Hey, looks good. This one is good, my friend. Good. Who asked about Pfizer? Oh, okay. This one needs to wait. This one is a structure. It's a structure, but it looks good. Possibly there will be more upside to come. Oh, I didn't see this though. Yeah, just now there was a very, very nice opportunity to take a trade. Yeah, for me, since I missed already, I'll just give it a skip. Yes. I used to trade oil a lot, really like a lot. So if you are looking for, okay, Brent crude oil is, what's the Brent crude oil? Well, I can't remember already. What's the ticker for Brent crude oil? Let me check. I think I have it. Okay, we can also look at US oil. It's more or less, around the same. Oil stock right now, oil is currently coming down. So I'm not too sure whether it will just, terminate around here, which is about $60 or $61 before it starts to fire off. I'm not too sure whether this will happen or not, but I think minimally it can come to about $61. Then, Brent crude oil. Uh, what's the? Yes. I think it's BREN and then USD, right? Yes, BCO USD. Is it BCO? Yeah, if you are talking about Brent crude oil, I do think likely it can comes to about $64, almost $64 before it starts to go up. Damn sian, my Apple, Amazon never hit entry. Wow. Yeah, Hazel, this is the thing, huh? So sometimes when you wait for retest, right, it doesn't give you the retest. Then this is the time, you're very sad. That's why you see a lot of times when I take trade, normally if not too far, right, I will just jump in. I'm so, lazy to wait for the retest or uh, keep monitoring the market. Yeah, so this is something you cannot complain, huh? So whenever you are those that wait for retest, right? Sometimes when it doesn't give you, and then that's it. Yeah. But Amazon got breakout. You can take the breakout trade also. Yes, it's a give and take thing. For me, as long as not too far away, I go in. Because I know most of my trades, at least minimally the RR are quite high, at least about 1:3. So that few cents difference really doesn't make a lot of difference. Oh, he went off now. Aiyo, scare me like Hazel, your husband suddenly come in. I thought I'm going to get a lecture now. Baba. Baba, okay, good. Zixiang, good, fantastic. I like it. I'm still inside. Did I miss any comments? Which, what you FOMO? No FOMO. I think I never. I think I never miss anything, right? Oh, Chewy. Okay. Chewy. Right? Guys, if I miss your message or something, can definitely ask again. Wow, Chewy wasted. Really, really, really wasted. It's my bad. Wow, it's a very, very rare opportunity though. But good job. I think potatoes found this ending diagonal. Fulfills all our criteria. Yeah, but it's my bad. I didn't monitor it and then it just fired off. I remember the last time I saw it, it was somewhere here only though. Hey Rick, you are the one who asked me to buy Baba. Back then I remember I also don't have a lot of margin, so I just buy a little bit with you. Okay, guys, I will use the washroom. I come back shortly, okay? See you in a short while. Okay, I'm back. Oh, I knocked onto my heels. Oh, it's painful though. Yes, give, really, Hazel, go and enjoy with your husband, you know? Trading can be another time, my friend. Can I will see Discord? uh, yo, got pay attention, potato. Very good job. Uh, okay, if you want to hedge now, I would say okay. You know, okay if you want to buy a put option. Mm, Okay, wait, let me check. I think can wait for a little bit more before you buy that put option. Although the candle is in red, but I think nothing much to worry about as of this current moment. Yeah, because if you hedge, right, you also need to calculate how much you want to hedge. If you cover too much, right, you will give back a lot of profit. So it is also a trade-off. So normally for me, I would prefer, just shifting my stop losses higher in case, right, our position pulls back or something. At least we can secure the profit. And then after that, we wait for some good opportunity, like we see a confirmation, then we start shorting the market. This is also another way that you can do. Because right now, I don't see any major news coming in though. Although, we have Trump, all that, it's a little bit scary. Especially tomorrow, we have PPI, but then I also don't think the PPI will be of a high impact. So it's the trade-off that you have to balance. Unless you do a very, very small size, like maybe 1%, I think okay. But some people, when they do a hedge, they really hedge like a lot that type. Can be 3%, 4%, 5%, depending on how much they are up. Because for me, a hedge, possibly you only protect a little bit. Yeah, right now it's pulling back a little bit. It's healthy. Today we went up quite a lot, really quite a lot. After market open, it just keep going up. So right now coming back a little bit. But then most of our positions, when I look at them, I think it's not bad though. Only Nvidia, Nvidia is not moving a lot. AMD, okay, pulling back a little. So, but I do think that still can hold. But if you are scared of giving back too much profit, can definitely buy a put option, a small one, nothing too much. Feel good to TP some AMD already. Yes, definitely, definitely. Yeah, let me see, huh? Okay lah, not too bad. Just now I saw the account was up about 3% plus. Right now it dropped back to about 2.4%. It's normal. Market definitely needs some pullback. Cannot forever go up in a straight line. Especially within just the day itself. And a lot of times within these few days, it also keep happening. Like yesterday also the same thing. You see 10 p.m. it starts to move. Then after that, which stock? I think there was some stock that it started to move. Then after that, it starts to slow down. Which was it? A bit like Tesla also, yesterday it moved all the way until about 12 a.m. Then it goes sideways, doesn't go anywhere, pulling back a little bit, then it starts to go again. So right now we are almost around that time, 11 p.m. So pulling back a little bit right now, I think it's fine. Just don't give back too much profit, okay? So right now, like possibly most of our positions, we can also manage them. If you want to, PDD. Can you hear my daughter cry? PDD, let me see. Oh, she cries quite loud. Not too sure what happened though. 115. Yeah, 115.6 lah. We can shift to 115.6. Let me shift this. 6. You can only hear your own crying from here. Patience, okay? Patience. Relax. Okay, Tesla, I think I shift already, right? Yes, Tesla, I shifted the stop loss. Hey, did I shift or not? Wait, let me refresh again. I think I shifted, right, Tesla? Oh, yes, I shifted already. And did this send it inside the group? PDD. Oh, okay, send already. Good. Okay, what else we haven't really shift? Oh, AMD. Okay, AMD. Let me see AMD. I also want to shift for AMD. Yes, Baba looks good. AMD got one, FVG, very small one. Possibly, this area can. Yeah, AMD, we really need to wait a little bit though, and also needs to give it a little bit of room to breathe. Cannot shift too tight. Hey, 115.6, wrong. 115.6, wrong. Okay, I will delete another one. Thank you. We'll delete this. 115.6. Okay, correct. Sorry. You want to go meet other students? You want to meet them at where though? Oh, XY. Okay. Quintin is also a student, huh? If you all don't know, Quintin is also a student. You all meet my students. Okay, can. Definitely we will have gathering, huh? Got pretty one. How you know? 呆了. Okay, I will shift. Not pretty, also never mind. My goodness, my friend. Okay, OXY, I will also shift it a little. 43.6. The pullback gun strong. Okay, relax, okay, relax. Nothing to worry about. Photo. Okay, photo, I also shift it up already. Oh, photo fire off even more than when I initially shifted up. Okay, I will shift photo again. 169. Hey, don't pull back lah. Just fire off, okay? Fire off. Boom. Don't come back anymore. And then we look for shots. Yes, all the HSBC come into my group. My goodness. My students got a lot of pretty one. Young and pretty. Sweet young thing. Huh? Later all the girls tell me, if Quintin coming, they are all not going to turn up. Oh, Chewy, my TP, Chewy, let's see. Wow, if I entered there, minimally, I will target at least about $41. And if possible, right? Because there's also, oh no, earnings is still quite far away. If possible, I will target all the way, breaking at least, this all-time high here. And not the all-time high, the previous high here. But then, of course, you need to be inside for quite a while, huh? I think likely at least about 2 months or something. Then it will reach there. BLSH IPO. BL. Haven't IPO yet, right? What is this talk about, huh? It's not this, right? Bullish ordinary shares. What is that, huh? BLSH. BLSH IPO. Bullish prices. Oh, the company name is called Bullish. Bullish. My goodness. Well, I haven't read about this though. Yeah, but I will save it down here, then can go and do a little bit of research. Is it going to IPO today or what? Or another crypto type of stock? Crypto rocket to the moon. Okay, Richard, thanks for sharing. I will go and take a look. But then I'm not too sure though. I haven't really, I only just know about this when you told me. Rocket to the moon. $1.1 billion. My goodness, the company name is called Bullish. Okay, they say indicative about $37 per shares. Company is valued at 5.41 billion. When is it going to IPO? Do you know when is it going to IPO? Tonight, huh? Oh, no time to do research at all. And then I guess I will give it a skip first lah. CoinDesk owner. Yeah, I need to read more. $37. Possibly maybe another Figma, the moment the IPO, you can trade for one day, then just get out. Tesla got chance to re-enter. Tesla. Why is my chart not loading? Oh, we are out already, friends. If I'm not wrong, we are out already. Let me log in, huh? I will definitely, monitor first. I want to monitor first. Then after we see how the market does. Okay, it's pulling back quite fast. SPY also. Nvidia still around the same area. AMD also around there. Okay, I will update for Tesla. Come on, why is it not loading? Okay, one moment, huh? Tesla. Two 9.5. Okay, good trade. Uh, yes. Potato, I can definitely see that as a valid triangle. And then, right, we need to monitor how the overall market is. Okay, because SPY make new high again, and then right now it's pulling back a little bit. So if really like according to the market update video where I do think that there's one more big leg coming down, right? Possibly your triangle can, you know, you can look at your A wave as the impulse. So something like, yeah, look at this as the impulse instead. So it's always the overall market condition. I always look at that and then I will determine whether uh, which direction it will goes to. Okay, good. Hopefully it circles. Okay. Okay, VIXY. I have a few friends who, they trade it. It's also something like for you to hedge also, you know. So it's either you pick SPY, if not you pick this. So for SPY, you'll be, buying the put option. Um, I really don't see a point for us to buy right now. Although if you want to, you can buy something for about, I think 2 weeks. I think 2 weeks is quite safe. Yeah, even this VIXY, you can buy for 2 weeks. If not, you can buy a put option for SPY 2 weeks also. Oh, Rick, you trade the VIXY, huh? Okay. You got any strategy to share with me or not? I know Shadow likes to trade this also. He's a fan of this. He always buy the options. He recommended to me lah, but then every single time when he recommend to me, most of the time I max out my margin already. Because he's a day trader, I'm more of a swing trader. So every day he has a lot of margin to spare. You prefer this over SPY puts? Okay. Why? Is there any reason? Can let me know the reason and then possibly I can also try. Is you know how to read VIX is exactly the same thing. No difference. Just that you cannot trade VIX, you can trade this. Oh, this one no decay, really? Well, I also never traded that before though. Oh, you don't know how option works, huh? You can long that thing. Let me check, huh? Yeah, because normally I myself I like to Uh, Let me see. If you long this thing, you need to place a stop loss also though, although it moves a little bit like VIX because you are looking for the huge up move. Let me see. Wow, but the expiry date like so far away. You either can buy 2 days or 37 days. But is it good or not? Let me see. Oh, you just buy the. Oh, you just buy the stock. Same. Okay. Okay. Oh, you just buy the stock, huh? Okay, because for me, it's because of Shadow. He always buy these options. He always send it to me. Then after that, I also didn't bother about him. I also never follow. But he sends it to me all the time. Yeah, I think it's good. I really think it's good because I see like he does it all the time. Yeah, I'm also trying to analyze, but then the options is weird though. You can only buy either 2 days or 37 days. 37 days, like, well, I don't think you will be able to make money or unless there's a catalyst in the. Yeah, unless there's a catalyst. If not, options is also quite difficult based on what I see lah. Because he day trades, So for 2 days, I think he can make money. But then, yeah, the 37 days one, the moment I look at it, like, you really need a huge catalyst before it can move a lot. The Tesla rebound again, huh? I think because he day trades. He only buys 0 DTE. He always do 0 DTE. If not, possibly over here, I only see 2 days. Right? I think he only buys for 2 days. When he buys the 2 days, possibly, maybe, I think the next day he already exited. Yeah, I myself, I have not tried it before. We can give it a check. Oh, can just buy. Okay, okay, okay. Yeah, something like hedging, If you buy this, you are also doing a hedge. Oh, you also just buy the stock. Okay, maybe I can ask him again. BMNR. Yeah, it's like not moving, huh? Even ETH is going up quite a lot. Yeah, ETH today and yesterday also went up quite a lot. But then BNNR is not moving though. Yeah, hopefully it will fire off soon. Okay, let me see the market condition. Do you want to try or not? Go and buy the VIXY. Let me check. Let me analyze a bit, huh? Okay. I Yeah, if you want to buy, I think give it 1 or 2 more days. I think possibly might have a good opportunity. IPO MIAX. Okay, sure. MIAX. Okay, thank you, Richard. Thank you. Oh, Richard, you always trade IPO stock, Your golf alert. Golf got alert, Okay lah, this one still needs to wait. It's a good alert. Did I put it into the trade setup? Okay, something for us to monitor also. Okay, nice. So Rick, when are you going to buy the VIXY again? Okay, guys, you all know why I rarely hedge my positions. Um, One of the reason can be I have one quite a large account. Previously it was about $200,000, and because of hedging, right, I blew up the entire account. Really, really bad that time. The time I was still trading like forex and commodities, so I hedged all the time. Then the whole 200,000 gone already. That was like my last final account before I stopped trading forex, stopped trading commodities. No leh, I hedged until no stop loss, no nothing. Initially there is, and then because of revenge trading, I keep doing it over and over again, until I just decided to remove all the stop loss. You also risk 1% max. Okay. Yeah, when I look at it, I also think that you need to put a stop loss because it's something about the futures contract where they will expire, then the price keeps dropping and dropping and dropping until one fine day you get one catalyst and then it spike a lot. Yeah, based on how the chart is moving. Okay, I want to set new alarms for Palantir. I'm in quite good profit already. So maybe I'll exit everything. Oh, Hazel, because I shift my stop loss, then stop loss triggered, so I just TP everything. I think Hazel not here already, right? I think she left. I think she go to bed now. Oh, drop $1. Yeah, I also needs to study this chart a little bit. Yeah, really needs to put a stop loss. If not, it keeps dropping and dropping and dropping. Oh, Hazel, because I shift my stop loss quite tight, so the stop loss got triggered already. Then I just TP everything. I'm out of everything for Tesla. But if you are still inside, you can hold, You can hold. I shift it a bit too tight, for Tesla. But okay lah, we still have a lot of positions. If there's an opportunity, I will try to get in again. Yeah, but as of right now, I also won't jump back in lah, I guess. Yeah, I will just leave it. This month is really not bad already. I left with just about 7,000 to reach 130,000. And then next month we are going to start with the new 130,000 if possible. Yeah, because if you ask me about scalping, I really have no idea how to do though. I have tried a lot on forex and commodities, but then it doesn't work out for me. Yeah, I'm not a good scalper. Day trading, I say still okay, but then I'm better with swing trading. Swing trading is like my forte. But I look at shadow returns and my returns every year. It's around the same. He day trades, I swing trade. We also risk about 1% per trade. Every time the return is around the same. We'll have, okay, day trades, I can tell usually people who day trades, their okay, there are basically two types. One type, right, is that the winning rate is extremely high one. Should be about 80-90% that type. but then they TP very fast. The moment you maybe they buy here, right, it goes up here only, they out already. But then when they take a loss, it's usually a lot larger than their profits. So that is how their win rate is so super high. Then the other type is like Shadow. His win rate is not very high, I think about 50-60%. But then his RR is high. At least about 1:2. If not minimally 1:1, then he is out already. So these are the two types of day trader that I normally see. So don't be, shocked that someone's win rate is like 80%, 90%. Not really, not really. Like for Shadow, he day trades until about 10:30, 11 p.m. He go no. I only know for the first 15 minutes after market open, he doesn't trade. He look first. He look. Then after that, he will start to make his move. He taught me already. I just need to make the video. Okay, I make the video for you guys. It's amazing. Like when I look at how he do it, he's like, huh? Really? So easy. Yeah, that day, I had a video call with him. He taught me. He said it's exactly the same thing using LOA, but then the entry requirement all that is a little bit more different. It's not bad, not bad. I think the way he do it, his win rate is at least about 10% higher than me, because I know that my day trading win rate is about 50-50, around there. I think he should be around 60%. And he's better, he can do it every single day. I cannot do it every single day. Okay lah, guys, if you're, feel a little bit wasted for Tesla, I help you all to monitor a bit, okay? And then see whether we can do a day trade and then we get in. Yes, he got family also. Most of my friends are all married with family. I think except two only. Two of them are not married. One is, oh no. Only, no, all married already. Actually, initially only got one. The guy is like a bachelor. So he wants to live a bachelor lifestyle. Yeah, so always, change very, very young girlfriend. But recently he found one that is extremely young. He's 20 years older than the girl though. The girl is only 18. And he decided to, settle down, married. Yes, 20 years. My circle of friends, they are all like that. My wife is also very young. My wife is like 10 years younger than me. Yeah, he's the type of, so far, so many of them, after they found someone that they like so much, they decided to settle down. Yes. A lot of people tell me, I don't look like my age. Which is not really a good thing though. So a lot of people always ask me, boy, you look very young. How old are you? When I told them they're my age, they got shocked. Like someone also tell me, don't do trading course. Teach people how to, maintain a youthful look. Hey, but then trust me, really, guys, for a guy to look young is really not that good. Okay, guys, we do a very, very aggressive day trade, huh? Don't know whether it will go or not, but then this is extremely high risk. I will send it inside the group. Wait, what did I press? My goodness. Okay. Okay. Okay, what do I think about Tesla? I like it. I like it. I like it. I re-entered again. Yeah, just now I shift my stop loss a bit too tight, and then after that, don't have enough room for it to breathe. Lah. So, I TP already, I get in again. No, 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 no. This one is Tesla. This one is Tesla. Not Pengu. Yes, especially when you do business, you look young, really. It's really not good. Really not good. I can tell you every single time when I meet a new client, the first thing they're going to ask, how are you? You just started, I want to laugh until I cannot tahan. Are you new? How about drinks? What stock is that, Drinks. Okay, Quintin, what stock is that? Okay, your private KTV, I know. That time you invited me there before, right? I cannot lah, bro. This timing I go out, my wife will kill me though. Although my wife see you before lah, but then cannot lah. If I want to go, I have to bring her together. She'll kill me, man. Yes, you can go and have some drinks. The market is pretty much dead already. So far, really like, nothing much happening. So if there's anything major, I will update inside the group. Go and enjoy your drink, my friend. Someday I can definitely join you. What business are you promoting? I'm running a trading course here. So it's based in Singapore. So if you want to join my trading course, come, go ahead. Drop me a WhatsApp text. What are you using in screen? Oh, this is Trading View. BISH. BISH. Is it just now the newly IPO stock or something? BISH. Yeah, I think it's that stock that Richard is talking about, right? So I have no idea, my friend. Next time you all see like all these, newly IPO stock, can let me know, because I myself, I normally don't, I don't monitor them. Yeah, because I have not done any research. I have never go and look at the balance sheet. I never read about the what's that called? This report. I forgot the name now. BISH Investor Center. Yeah, usually you just type BISH Investor Center. Usually they will. Hey, no, not this. What is this though? No, it's not free. It's a paying cost. What is this? Okay, what's the company name again? Let me see. Bullish. Investor relation also can. You need to go and read all this report before you come to a conclusion whether it's a good investment or not. Hey, my goodness! The SEC filing saw that. This one cannot click. SEC filings. Yeah, inside they will give you a lot of information. You can go through them. Then after that, you see whether you like the stock or not. How come there's like missing so many things? Where's the 2024 one? Huh? How come they don't have 2024 filings? I have no idea, man. Yeah, I need to do more research before, I want to commit into it or not. What is the thing you have achieved? What do you mean by that, huh? What is the things you have achieved? I'm confused though, my friend. Okay, guys, I go and get some water, then I come back, huh? Okay. I know the answer. Okay. Shadow is actually on live stream, but then I think he didn't log in with his own account. Okay. I think he didn't log in with his own account, so I couldn't see him. Okay, he told me, right, let me see again. He told me, okay, because all these newly haven't IPO stocks, right, they don't go by your normal like SEC filing, so they go by this thing called Form S1. So if you want to read about the company, all that, right, you need to read through the financial filings of this document called Form S1. It's not your 10Q or 10K. Yeah, so should be either, this bottom three. So you have to read through all this. You read through already. If you like what the company does, the financial health and everything, go ahead and invest in them. Because for me, I haven't read through. So for this bullish company, I'll give it a miss. Yeah, normally you can just download, just download either one of it. Yeah, possibly can be this though. What is F1/A? No idea. Yeah, usually inside they give you a lot of information like what's the company plans and everything. Is usually quite a long document, so y'all can go and read through. It's super duper long. This is how many page? This is like 400 page. 400 page. Yeah, usually before I buy, I will read through them. Oh, ARKK. Certain funds are managed by subsidiary BlackRock and ARKK. ARK. Oh, Richard, you just type any company name. After that, you type either investors relations, if not investor center. You just need to type this. Then after that, usually, in their website, they will have one part called SEC filings. So you go in there, then you go and read through all the documents. Yeah, then after that, you can see right here, they will have like all their financial statements. Like normally, I will go through all of them. I'll do my own calculation, and then I see whether I like it or not. Where is it? Oh, it's really a lot. It's 400 pages of this document. Where is the financial statement? Then here. Yeah, so, there are some of this is not very, very in-depth though. Yeah, you need to read through quite a lot. There will be different parts for you to read. So, after reading, then if you're okay with that, go ahead and buy. Thrive is gone already. Okay, guys, we shrimp to 12 a.m. Okay, then after that, we call it a day. So far, everything is good lah. Nothing much to worry. By okay lah, pulling back a little bit, which is pretty healthy. Wow, Palantir is still strong, man. Okay, guys, any more last questions before we end the live stream? Okay, guys, if no more questions, then I will end the live stream, okay? I will see all of you tomorrow. Enjoy your day, have a good rest. Take care, stay safe, and thank you so much for coming. Bye-bye.